Welcome to Eagle Complete course. Before we move further to the lessons, the first thing we should do is install the Eagle software. So, in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Eagle software. First, open your browser and go to autodesk.com/products/eagle/free download. Since we will download the free version of the Eagle, it will have some limited features inside it. You can choose to subscribe to get the complete version of it. Eagle supports these operating systems: the Windows, Mac, and Linux. Note that Eagle is available in 64-bit versions only. Choose the appropriate installation package according to the architecture of your operating system. Since I use Windows, I will choose the Windows operating system and click Download button here. It will automatically download the file. So, wait until the file is completely downloaded. After that, navigate to the folder you download the file. Click right on your mouse and choose Run as Administrator, or just simply double-click this icon. This window will pop up, then click Yes. Then the installation setup window will pop up. First, you will see the license agreement. You can click the link to read the full license agreement. After that, you can tick the I accept the agreement option here. If you're not choosing that option, you cannot go to the next step. Click the Next button. Then, choose the location you want to save the Eagle software on your computer. In order to run Eagle, you have to make sure that your computer has a minimum of 3 MB of memory, about 700 MB or at least 583.7 MB of free disk space to install it, a minimum graphics resolution of 1024 x 768 pixels, and preferably a 3-button wheel mouse. Click Next. Then, you will be asked whether you want to create a desktop shortcut or not. I choose the Create one, so tick the checkbox here and click Next. After you're sure with all the setup, click Install and wait until the software completely installed on your computer. When it's done, You can choose to launch the Eagle immediately or not. Then click Finish. Since I chose to launch the Eagle software after the installation is done, so now the Eagle software will appear in my screen. There are two windows here. The first window is the Eagle control panel, and the second window is the sign-in window. Since I already have an account, I will sign in using my existing account. If you don't have an Autodesk account yet, you can click this button over here. To create an account, fill out this form. Don't forget to tick the agreement of Autodesk terms of use and the privacy statement option so you can create your new account. I will make a new account as an example. This window will pop up and inform you that the verification link is sent to your email. Open your email and click the verification button Autodesk sent you. Then, you are directed to fill out your email and password. If right, your account will be verified. Click Done, and after that, go to the Eagle software and you can sign in using your account. You don't necessarily need an internet connection to work with Eagle. It's also possible to work in offline mode for 30 days. After this period, you are asked to sign in again in order to check the validity of the entitlement. Okay, now you can see this window, the first page of Eagle, or called Control Panel. We will learn about the Eagle Control Panel further in the next video.